channel, and today we will again discuss about the Ferrite Bead. My previous video I will discuss about the Ferrite Bead. I used English subtitles and discussing about in Hindi, and after some views I got a comment. The guy tell me about please make a video in English and why you are using subtitle of English. So I decide to make a full English lecture about talking about the Ferrite Bead, and let's start to discussing about the Ferrite Bead. So we know the home appliances and lot of appliances related to the high frequency. Okay, so first we discuss about the Ferrite Bead. We such as example of appliances like laptop, okay, mobile phone, basically the charger of these items. So they have operate on high frequencies power supply. High frequency power supply. So generally we saw a power cable like laptop charging cable. It's look like the wire. Okay, so this is the wire, and this side, the end of the wire having the port like type C port, or DC port. Okay, and before of that we having the Ferrite Bead. Okay, so this is the extra part in which added in the power cable. Okay, Ferrite Bead. I think you got the Ferrite Bead and where he is exacting. So, and it is a technique that filtering the noise of a high frequency power supply. Okay, so I will write down the definition about that. Okay, definition of the Ferrite Bead is an technique that is used that is used filtering the noise filtering the noise of a high frequency of a high frequency power supply is called the Ferrite Bead. Basically Ferrite Bead is a low pass filter. Suppose we have a system. Okay, I make a system. So this is a system. Okay, so I will enter some high frequency noises. Okay, so I will write down some high frequency noises. Suppose this is the noise noise signal. Okay, noise signals means of that noise signal. So this is the noise signal, and basically is the EMI, electromagnetic interference signals. Okay, so this noisy signal is applied in a system, and we get the output. We got the output with filtering. Okay, so after the filtering we got the wave like this. Okay, so the remove this system removes the this system this system removes the noise in the signal, noise in the signal. Okay, so here is the noisy signal. Okay, and here is the without noisy signal. Means of that we have a system that pass the low frequency. Basically the Ferrite band is a low pass filter, is acting as a low pass filter. Okay, so I think you got the point about the Ferrite band. Okay, so this discussion is useful about the Ferrite band. If any query occurring, any related comments occurring, then I will make another video about the discussion, or more about the discussion about the Ferrite band and types of the Ferrite band. I think you like the video. If you like, and please subscribe for the motivational, and thank you for the watching.